What is up, everybody? Welcome to Monday, the special Monday edition of the Faithfully Bearded Stew. Welcome in, it's Monday, and I'm doing something different. You're used to seeing unboxings on Monday and initial FRS scores and a review all week long, but this week we're going with something a little bit different because I got some products over the last little while that I've been testing and want to do an update. So we're going to have an updated review that I've already reviewed a company for. We're going to update it this week. We're going to show you another company that's updating their stuff later in this week. And they went through a big change, and they're a big company, so I'm excited to bring those changes to you. We got a cookie eating contest Wednesday night that we're going to do that I'm going to win. We have a Big Mac eating contest on Sunday that I'm going to win. So we have a lot of awesome things going on this week for the community, for you guys, to bring you some info, to update, all the good stuff that we have going on. And we're kicking it off today with something that I want to bring to you, something from a well-known company that they finally got out, and I'm really, really impressed with the feel of it. And what am I talking about, you might ask yourself? Well, I'm talking about Artius Man's Beard Butter. And I guess my camera is so focused in on my face. Oh yeah, it likes me. There we go. Talking about this beard butter from Artius Man. It looks amazing. And you're talking anywhere from $24 to $30 for this 4-ounce container. I do wish they would take their top logo with that gray stripe and scent profile and kind of take it down around the label here. But you get the point. You can see it's Artius Man. You can't really tell what scent it is if you're stacking them up on the shelf like this. You wouldn't really be able to tell which scent is which. You'd have to look at the top. So I could see where I'd want them to change that, but maybe that's just getting nitpicky. This is their first attempt at a beard butter. Now you're asking yourself, like, Artius Man, isn't that the company that has some weird scents that Scuba loves? Yeah, it is. They got a couple scents that I like. I've tried a lot of them, but there's only a few that I really like. And I have Midnight Ride here, was the first one I go to. It's a spiced black licorice. Now, when I first open this up and I look at it, I'm like, wow, that's really smooth looking. I like it. It looks really good. And so then I kind of stick my finger in and I'm like, wow, that is like super soft. And I kind of look at it and I'm like, how does that melt down? And it melts down really nice. But the thing that I noticed the most was well, there's a couple things. The scent, just like the oil, and it's long lasting. That's what I love about Artius Man. Then I think, well, Artius Man's known for their really thick beard oil with the castor oil. Like, is this stuff going to be the same? So I look at the ingredients and I'm like, shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and pure essential oils. So I'm like, whoa, first of all, what catches me with that? No wax. There is no wax in this. Second, what catches me? There is no castor oil in this. So you're talking some lighter oils, but shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, and it kind of feels like it could be whipped, but it's not whipped. This is a poured butter, and the reason they do that is so they can give you the full 4 ounces. So you're talking a 4-ounce container ranging from $24 to $30, so you're still, $12 to $15 per a 2-ouncer, which is pretty awesome. But then I look at that and I wear that one. I'm like, okay, that's cool. And I go over and I look at the next one, which I have, which is Restoration, and this one looks even smoother, and it's even like creamier. So I'm like, well, what is going on? Is it the same, or did they just, maybe it's the essential oils that make it a little bit different, or maybe this one's mixed a little better or something. I don't know what it is. But it's the same ingredients here. Now they say they use a specialized shea butter that reduces the fatty acid crystallization, so you won't see your butter crystallize. You won't see it going hard throughout time. It's just this really soft thing. And I like the containers that they use here, but what I noticed with no wax is it leaves my beard feeling really soft. It's not like their oil, you get that real thickness, and a lot of people don't like it, but this is an opportunity to try something that leaves your beard really moisturized and feeling good. It doesn't have wax, so it's great for the nighttime. It's also great for the day. I liked it during the day. I didn't have anything wrong with it during the day. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it seems to be keeping my beard nice. It's not like holding my mustache necessarily in place. It's kind of let it free flow, and so I think what you're getting is a nice moisturizing beard butter that's going to be light and let your beard free. So it feels kind of thick, but the first thing I noticed is I went in and I took a big scoop and I put it in and I'm like, holy cow, this stuff's like heavy, blah, blah, blah. Well, it was because I used way too much. So they do give you a warning on the website, which I didn't read, that a little bit goes a long way based on their process that they use. So I went less the next day and it was really, really great. I was fantastic. It was very pleasing. I liked using it, and this is one of my top butters now. I just wish they'd have some more scent profiles that were along my style of things. But again, this is one of the top butters out there for me, and $30 for 4 ounce, I can handle that any day of the week. And again, they change it by their cents. So some cents were $24. I don't know how they necessarily get that, but I've never done an official review on these guys for their whole lineup. But they do have candles. They do have beard oil, the butter. They got some other things on their website. I'd love to get into a full review, so maybe they'll reach out and they'll have me get them on the FRS score and do that. But I bought these. Hopefully they'll send me some stuff to do a review. I'll tag them in it and see if you guys want to see me review Artius Man. Let them know, and we can do a full-fledged review. I just got to get some oils and all that good stuff from them. But again, don't forget, this is an awesome butter, a bigger company. Well, what we feel like is a bigger company, but they say they make it in small batches, so it'd be interesting to know their process a little bit more and what a small batch is for them. But Artius Man is kind of one of those big names in the game that when I came in that I looked up and I was like, oh, Artius Man, that's like one of those things. But you can also get free beard oil samples from them. You just go to their website, you can click free beard oil, pay shipping, it's like $5 for shipping, and then you get a whole sample lineup, so that's pretty awesome. So that's about all I have for you today. Until I talk to you guys again soon, I got a lot of videos coming out this week and eating challenges, so I got to go prep my stomach. Be you, be bearded, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.